Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another tutorial for you guys. This is a beautiful Gele tutorial. I made this video was just curious to know how this Gele will come out. I just created the style for you guys, and after the creation the Gele came out looking very beautiful. In fact, this Gele is more beautiful on the model's head more than the way you are seeing it now on the screen. So guys, I'm starting off with just making like 1 or 2 pleats. You can make 3, you can make it 4, 5, depending on your choice. Make sure you arrange it very well. Like I always tell you, the beauty of pleat is the way you form it. So in this tutorial, I'm using the system 70-30. One side is shorter, the other side is longer. So, but before I do this, I will make sure that the 30 part of the Gele come out the way that, in a way that it will cross our ear and almost get to the center of the ear, the tip. So I don't know how to explain this, but just watch on the screen and you will get what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm doing the measurements. I'm just dragging one side. Then I'll measure it. See my hand? That is all. I'm going to hold it with my pin, the normal office pin that you know. So guys, it's done. I'm going to drag it out. Then the next thing I'll do is to start to form a pleat there, as you can see on the screen. When you form, you make sure you hold it with your pin. So I'm forming this pleat with all the 30 parts of the Gele. This Gele is very simple, very easy to tie. So you make sure you pleat and you make sure you use your pin to hold it. So right now I'm done with the pleating. I'm coming up with the remaining 70 parts. This ashoke is small though, but still you can use it for the tutorial. So you just have to fold it. As you are folding it, you won't finish all. That is it. Now I'm just kind of arranging it. Arrange it. So when you fold it, you come to the center of the Gele. You still use pin to hold it. That is all for this Gele. Like I told you, this Gele is very simple, very easy to tie. If you follow the step, it's very simple. So guys, if today is your first time stopping by my channel, please subscribe if you have not subscribed, and remember to click on that notification bell up there to get notification anytime I upload a new video. Remember, I love you guys, and I always bring new things, new video, wig making, Gele tutorial, makeup tutorial, tips, and beauty and tips, like you always see me do. For sometimes I've not really done that because of some things I'm facing right now. So guys, see you in my next video. please watch, subscribe, share, and give me a thumbs up. Love you guys. So bye.